So that should tell me from now on your name is Vic.
Well, I tell you, I am the kid.
No, I did not English name.
When that happened,
Okay, good.
Who are the kid? All I'm asking you,
My man, Olama stole my goat and said it was hers.
Olama stole Adugo's goat, said it was ours.
why?
Yeah, only watching. Better wire.
Officer, bring a wire.
Stop! Why is he flogging her?
The dog came out. The boy, I not the one that said wire.
No, I meant they should pay attention.
Obifi na go. What's your name? Look at you.
Everyone should stand at attention.
No, I meant they should listen.
Yeah. Okocha. Yeah, now like it.
Everyone should sit down and listen.
Why should Olama have goats?
Olama said it was hers. She thought it was hers. So she stole it.
Olama, which is a deal.
It's Olama she returned the goat. Okay. Olama, Adugo, Rewa, Jolo, Apimaulo, Nusea Nazulo.
Olama, take this goat back to my house. Put it at the back end.
When she shouted, it will.
My Lord, she's very happy inside her mind. Now we show happiness in our village by shouting everyone. Me too, I do it in God. So
Then if she's happy, no problem.
she's very happy, God!